You have an occasion, a birthday party, go to the park, put up the pole in a matter of a couple of minutes, put your stringer lights on, patio lights, in the backyard, anywhere imaginable. We're going to show you what this product is about. From the company KHVOLSOE, it's a 2-package of light poles to hang your stringer lights for weddings, parties, occasions, and more. They come in a number of heights that you could put on, up to 99 inches. And we're going to show you what they look like and how to assemble. We like to show you how they pack by opening up the box and taking things out. They're protected and individually wrapped. We have one already opened up, and the other one is protected by the soft felt foam. They are individually wrapped, as you can see. We have the 2-pack, one unpacked and the other, as you can see, as they are protected. You have the top part with the end cap, and you have a bar that you're going to look for that the cap goes to the non-threaded one and lock down. Each pole measures about 18 inches. Starts off at the minimum of 36 inches of height. You can adjust the bars by placing on, like so, and place on at the height intervals you desire. The bottom pole is pointed to put into the ground and staked as this goes in to a slotted area and into the ground. Stakes in about 9+ inches. We're going to set one up 36 inches in height. This is the height of a short one, as you can see, just screw down with one, or simply put on the bar over here for 2 in any angle you want. What we're going to do is continue to place on our bars like so by placing into the bottom and screwing until we reach the maximum height of 99 inches. We're going to take one bar over here and place on and lock the bar down correctly. And place on the top bar. Depending on the angle you like, you can have it on a 90 degrees or keep both of them the same angle by adjusting and locking down. From the bottom of the stake to the very top of the unit measures 93+ inches. We have a set of 2 party, wedding, affair, pole string lights. We have our pole. It's heavy duty and lightweight. We find a spot in the ground that we're going to apply to. We're going to place it into the ground, stake it down, tighten things up, and hang our string light. The poles are weather resistant, rust resistant, and they're easy to assemble by simply screwing on. It'll take you a couple of minutes to do the whole system. Pick an area where you want the center pole, place on, and screw down. Put the top on and screw down. And finish off with the bottom piece. Rotate and place into the dirt. So we're all set up. We'll get our lights lit up and we'll come back in the evening hours. But these are the poles that could be put up for weddings, occasions, and more. They get placed into the soft ground and they get held on from 36 inches to 92+ inches. You got one in the back in the distance and one in the front over here. So we're here at nighttime and you can see that the poles are staked into the ground and they stand 92+ inches tall. You could change the heights on them to make them lower and so forth. The top pieces stay like so, but these pieces can be put 8x18 inches wherever you want, and you got yourself your string light poles for partying, affairs, weddings, at a patio, wherever you need to hang up. Place them in a picnic area, going out to a park, and you have a birthday party, and so forth. I hope you enjoy the product. If this is something that you are looking for, in a pole package 2-pack stringer light poles. Enjoy your product if these are right for you.